you think about a career in precision machining, what do you imagine? Maybe a job that's low paying, repetitive, and in a dirty work environment? Well, believe it or not, a career in precision machining can be creative, innovative, and full of opportunities that can take you around the world. This is because a machinist is someone who is a problem solver. They're dependable, give attention to detail, and love working with their hands. From delicate computer parts to military equipment and beyond, a career in precision machining is full of opportunity to create the pieces that move the world around us. Precision machining is a $36 billion business where over 20,000 machine shops employ almost 500,000 machinists. Depending on your experience, you can make between $31,000 and $59,000 a year. Filling one of these positions requires solid professional training. Butler Tech can get you started for free. With the help of Butler Tech's precision machining program, you can succeed in a career in this booming industry.
Right now I'm standing here with Joseph, and he is on a manual lathe working on his plumb bob. He's actually sanding it down right now because it comes to a point. Somewhat long and delicate process. The measurements, like it says in precision machining, have to be very precise. We have a tolerance. On this project, I think it's up to 5,000. So everything has to be pretty much perfect. If it's not, then we might have to start over or just readjust as we keep going.
In the precision machining program, you'll spend a portion of your day in academic classes, giving you the opportunity to earn high school and college credits for free. The other portion of your day will be career training. You'll read blueprints and learn all aspects of milling, machining, and grinding. You'll get valuable hands-on experience using state-of-the-art, industry-standard equipment to design, create, and repair metal parts for tooling and manufacturing. After high school, you're ready to enter the workforce as a machinist assistant or tool operator. In fact, Butler Tech's precision machining program has a 95% job placement rate. You can continue your education in a trade school or in an apprenticeship program, or apply your credits towards an engineering degree to gain even more responsibility and even greater earnings potential. So, can you see yourself in a career in which you shape the world and culture around us? Well, discover precision machining at Butler Tech and pursue a career that's right for you.